Thiku imwe tu thutha wa Mucirtithania munene Martha Koome kurekereria ndumiriri akiuga ni athite mwandiki wa ruhonge rwa JSC gutuma athuthuria kuri umwe wa wakiri uria ukoretwo agikuruhania ruhonge rwa Mucirtithania na ciiko cia ungumania. Umuthi Koome ni aritie ciigie ndeto ino na kuga ndumiriri iria ikoretwo ikinyagio nenda-ini cimwigie ni cia kumuguoyohia. Koome uria kwaragia hindi ya kuhingura kigomano gia kwaririria ihoto cia umundu kiria gikurehete hamwe acirithania na nyitite miangi augite ndekwenyenya na ndegutiga wira kuona ndeto iria arakuruhanio nayo no ya kumuhaka ndoro. Koome augite akoretwo ari umwe wa andu aria makoretwo magiukirirwo na kumenererio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, akiuga ndoi muoroto wa undu uyu niki, akiuria aria maratwarithia ndeto ino na mbere macario ndungi wa gwika.
I always confess that I'm a victim of cyberbullying, or is it called technologically facilitated gender-based violence. But I know the intentions. It's a business model. I don't know to achieve what, maybe to scare me, to distract me, to defame me, and hold me out of office, but they can try something else.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kurumbuya mirutire ya wira ya ruhonge rwa Mucirtithania JSC Isaac Ruto augite ndeto ici ikoretwo ikinyagio nenda-ini cigi ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa magoti gutire thitango yandikithitio kwao, na uguo uyu no muhuhu kuona no nginyagia hakorwo na wira wigie thitango o yothe.
All citizens, let us follow due process. Social media may amplify grievances, but it's the act of filing complaints or petitions with the JSC that ensures that matters are addressed fairly, efficiently, and transparently, in line with the rule of law.
Ihinda-ini o riu Mucirithania wa igoti nene Eric Ogolla ni oritie acirithania othe gutwithania macira mothe megie micii maria ni 28,000 na oho macira makonaini na ugai wa magai family-ini maria ni 200,000, akiuga kihoto gifatie kwambiriria family-ini.
We have around 200,000 family succession matters in the country, including the magistrate courts. In our courts throughout the country, in the High Court, we have about 28,000 family matters. As long as these matters remain in our system, we cannot be talking about justice when there's no justice in the family.
Ruhonge ruru rwa magoti rugite no ruguthie na mbere gutungatira muingi wa bururi na gutigirira ona Mukenya wa gikiro gia thi ndaratunyukithio kihoto giake. Irita njira ya gutigirira Mukenya wothe ni ona kihoto, acirithania ni moritio gutigirira ni matwithania macira mothe mari makonaini na micii oro ndumwe no gai wa magai. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.